Did you like our song? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.